This is 2019, but making money online is not so easy till now. But I'm sharing you a simple method to make $30 to $50 per day from scratch without website or spending any cents for traffic. That's more than $1,000 in less than 1 month. The method is known as affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is something selling products owned by others, and when someone buys the product through you, you get a commission. Simple? Yes, it's that simple. This is a simple strategy to get insane amount of instant payments by promoting affiliate products, others' product for absolutely. For anyone looking to make money with affiliate marketing, you must have 3 things: a niche, content, and products to promote. The best part is, no website, no paid ads, not a tech genius of any sort, no need to online for 24/7. No need to buy expensive tools, traffic whatsoever. How fast one can see results? It can literally take 30 minutes to set up everything for each way and start rolling, and then can start generating revenue as soon as 72 hours. From now, even with zero experience or technical knowledge. This is not something like makes you bored or hopeless. It's very easy technical task which you really love to do. But wait, here is the catch. You must follow all instructions completely to make these methods work for you. If you do not follow as I show you in step by step, you will get little or no results. This method doesn't require any previous experience, skills or income stat. So everyone is ready to start. You need to just copy and paste to start. Minimum $1,000 in the first month. If someone would have told me in 2014 or 2015 that you can make $1,000 per month spending literally just 30 minutes a day and without a website, I would be all in. $1,000 per month is still a lot of money. I've leave a link right below this video, go and check it out. This method allows you to work less, make more. Enjoy.